When we are creating different shapes, especially the button band, it's sometimes important to maneuver our piece in the three-dimensional window so it'll settle more accurately or correctly. One tool you can use to help your garment go into a place and stay there is a pin box tool. So the pin box is in the menu under this, looks like a brush with a circle around it. If you hold this down, you can select either pin box or pin lasso. And both of these will give you some pins that kind of pin the garment to the avatar and allow you to move that and keep it in a particular location. So I'm going to select pin box. You can see it makes the mesh visible now. If my goal is to kind of bring the two parts of the cardigan closer together for when I simulate it. And so I'm going to add some pins here by marqueing around with my left shift hold. And then I'm going to do the same over here. And this allows me to maneuver those around. So what I'll do now is while I'm in simulation, I will select the hand function here. And I can grab those pins and move them over. So remember, we want our buttons to be under on the wearer's left. And so I can look and kind of place it more against her body. It's going through her body a little bit, but that's okay, actually. And then this side, I'm going to try to lay on top in order to simulate where that cardigan is going to end up. Okay. And so this just gives my positioning a little bit more strength so that when I do actually make my buttons or whatever I need to do later on down the road, the ability to stay in place. After you're done, I would leave them there until you're finished making those final simulations, but you can delete them. You can uncheck simulation. You can click on those items. You can maneuver them and rotate them around. You can even move them in with the gizmo. Notice that since I'm not simulating it, it's not actually moving my garment. But you can also delete them if that's what you need to do. Okay, so that's how you would delete them, is just select them like normal in the 3D window and delete them.